Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making buffalo ranch chicken casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting in a bowl here. I'm going to add in a cup of ranch dressing. And I'm just going to eyeball this, guys. Okay, that looks like about right. This here is a 2-cup bottle. And then I'm going to add in some hot sauce. Now if your kids don't like their food spicy, you can leave this out or cut down on it. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of hot sauce, and I'm using Frank's. Let me take the top off this to make this a little quicker. Okay, that's about 1/4 cup. I'm going to give this a stir to mix it together. Alright, now I have a 9x13 baking pan. I sprayed with some cooking spray. And I have 2 chicken breasts here, about 2 pounds of chicken I diced up in bite-sized pieces. I'm going to go ahead and get that ranch sauce down in there. And I'm just going to mix this all together in with the chicken. And guys, it's hot out today. It's about 70 degrees here. Kind of hot to have a casserole, but I'm the guy that eats hot soup in the summertime, so seasons don't control how we eat. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and spread this chicken out evenly in here. That's looking good. Now I have some green onion here I cut up. I'm going to spread some out on top of the chicken. And that's probably about 1/2 cup of green onion, guys. And I have a bag of tater tots here. This here is a 32-ounce bag. Now you can go ahead and stack them in there all neat if you like. But I'm just going to dump them in, guys. It's going to taste just the same no matter how you do it. And this is a real quick, easy meal. Alright, now I have some Mexican blend cheese here. I'm going to put a generous coating on top. Alright, I'm going to take some more green onion and spread it on top of the cheese. And if your family doesn't like green onion, you can leave them out of there. Grab a little more here. Everyone hold on for a second. Alright, now I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven on cover for 45 minutes. Then it'll be all done and ready to go. Alright guys, I just took this out the oven. It's done. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Some of these tater tots. And when I dished up, I smell that buffalo ranch smell. Tater tots are good. They have a slight crisp on them, but they also have that nice creamy potato middle in them. So we pick up that ranch buffalo flavor. Try some chicken. Chicken's cooked through, nice and tender, well seasoned. It's also creamy from that ranch buffalo sauce we put in there. That's really good, guys. Alright, there you have it. Buffalo chicken ranch casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.